So we covered get services, get namespaces, and we'll start with the describe pod. So the kube-c-tl describe pod shows detailed information about a specific pod. And the way to get this kube-c-tl describe pod and the pod name. Say for example, this one will try. So kube-c-tl describe pod and the pod name. We just copied and then -n. The namespace should be kube system. So you can see it gives the complete information about that pod. What is the name? What is the namespace? What is the priority? What is the class name? What is the start time? What is the image ID and which version it is using? What is the Docker container ID? And all the commands is running and when it started. What is its liveness? URL, what is readiness? What are the environment variables? What is the mounting path? Complete details you can get it. This is very useful when you have multiple pods and what is the configuration done already. You want to see that, you have to try with this describe pod command.